Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the TalkBack feature on this device. First, let's open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll all the way down and select the accessibility. Here tap on screen reader, and we have voice assistant right here option. Enable it by tapping the slider and then tap allow to confirm. Tap on it again or twice.
Voice assistant on. Tutorial. Showing items 1 to 7 of 7.
And here we have tutorial for our voice assistant. We can select the item.
1. Using this tutorial, it lists 7 items. Double tap to activate.
And the voice will read what's selected, and then you can double tap it to activate it, like it said.
Each tutorial screen has text at the top and a test pad below where you can try out voice assistant gestures. At the bottom of the screen is a progress indicator and navigation buttons. To close the tutorial, use the navigate up button at the top of the screen or the back button at the bottom.
Now let's go back by tapping on the back button.
Navigate up button.
Then double tap it to activate it. We can also move the frame on the screen by swiping left and right on the screen.
Exploring the screen. Double tap to activate.
And to scroll through the menus, we need to use 2 fingers and swipe up and down. So let's go back maybe to settings.
Back button, not in list. Screen reader.
Find something we can scroll through, like this menu right here. And to scroll through the menu, simply use 2 fingers, like this. Because if you try to scroll up and down with 1 finger, you're gonna move this frame around. Okay, let's select this screen reader, double tap it to enter, select voice assistant, double tap the switch to turn it off, then tap turn off, and double tap it to activate it. And that's how you enable the TalkBack feature on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.